Gentle reassurance hook, protecting your mind against dementia and cognitive decline is within reach. At Seniors Health Companion, we're here to support your journey toward healthier aging. Understanding brain health can significantly improve your quality of life and well-being. Many seniors worry about memory loss and confusion. Through this video, we aim to address these common concerns with empathy and practical guidance. You'll learn about protecting your brain health. Let's journey together with confidence and hope. Understanding the brain starts with recognizing its vast network, akin to an intricate orchestra working in harmony. As we age, changes happen that may challenge this harmony. Brain health encompasses memory, thinking, learning, and emotion. Just like any part of your body, it benefits from understanding and care. Taking proactive steps to nurture it can stave off cognitive decline, offering you more years of active, meaningful engagement in your life. Remember, small changes bring significant benefits over time. Recognizing the early signs of cognitive decline is crucial. Be attentive to frequent memory lapses, difficulty concentrating, and language problems. While occasional forgetfulness is normal, notable changes in these areas deserve attention. Self-awareness doesn't mean anxiety, it's about empowerment. Catching symptoms early allows for timely interventions, potentially delaying progression. Trust your inner wisdom to inform you when something feels off. It's about balancing awareness with peace, knowing that early detection is a profound step towards maintaining independence. Incorporating brain-boosting foods into your diet is a delightful way to support cognitive health. Omega-3-rich fish like salmon, leafy greens, nuts, and berries are your allies. These foods, easy to prepare and gentle on finances, can become staples in your daily meals. Try colorful salads or oatmeal with a berry topping for breakfast. The timing doesn't need to be strict. Integrate these foods flexibly into your routine, celebrating each meal as a chance to support your brain. Nutrition is your partner in health. Let's explore safe movements that nurture both body and mind. Walking, gentle yoga, and Tai Chi are excellent for enhancing cognitive function while promoting physical health. Begin with short, enjoyable sessions tailored to your abilities. Safety and consistency are key. Listen to your body and adjust accordingly. Joining community classes offers social interaction, vital for mental well-being. Remember, the goal is enjoying movement, not mastering complexity. Celebrate each step, honoring your pace and progress along the way. Routine medical monitoring enhances brain health by keeping small issues from escalating. Engaging regularly with healthcare providers allows for personalized advice that aligns with your lifestyle. Share any cognitive changes you notice. Understanding your baseline helps professionals provide timely interventions. Modern technology offers additional tools. Consider apps to track mental well-being or schedule reminders for checkups. Trust in medical partnerships is crucial. Together, you and your healthcare team can craft a brain health plan tailored just for you. Cognitive health touches emotions and relationships. Prioritize mental well-being by engaging in activities that bring joy. Connecting with loved ones reduces stress and supports brain function. Hobbies, volunteering, or community events can enhance your life satisfaction, shielding against depression. A positive mindset fosters resilience against cognitive decline. Finding humor and cultivating gratitude each day strengthens mental fortitude. Remember, it's not just about keeping the mind busy, but nurturing a heart at peace and relationships that bring warmth. Empowerment is about small, consistent actions. Brain health flourishes with a balanced diet, gentle exercise, regular checkups, and positive social interactions. Remember, change is a journey, not a sprint. Embrace each improvement, however minor, as a victory. Your mental future is optimistic, filled with opportunities to thrive. Action steps include planning meals, scheduling a walk, and connecting with friends. Together, let's proceed with confidence and empower others to join. Your health is your story, and we're here to journey alongside you.